In this video, we're going to be talking about battery draining on your laptop, and I'm going to be showing you on how you can fix it for yourself. So, if you have this recurrent issue of your battery being consistently drained, then what you're going to need to do is first of all, you're going to go ahead, right click on your battery option and click on power options. Now, once you're over here, first of all, what you can do is you can see what plan you have. Now, currently, I have the balance plan. So, if you have the balance plan as well and it is not working for you, do go ahead and change it to another plan if you have one. But if you don't, let me make a good plan for you. So, what you do is you go over to change plan settings. Now, once you come over here, first of all, here it says turn off the display, for plugged in and plugged out, then put computer to sleep, plugged in, plugged out. It depends on you on whichever, working you want to go with, but this isn't the important part. The important part comes here when you click on change advanced power settings. Now, here we have balanced and active, right? So, first of all, over here, what you're going to need to do is you're going to be coming over to each of these components and you're going to see, where is most of the battery going to. So let's go over to display, turn off display after. Obviously, it's set to never. So let's go ahead and change that to, let's turn off the display after, let's say, 3 minutes of inactivity. And, if it's plugged in, let's go ahead with 5 minutes of inactivity because obviously when it's plugged in, it's much, better that way. So we do that, we click on apply. And just like this, you go through with each of these and see where, it says never and just change that up. Now, the reason I'm having you do that is because when your computer components stay on in the background, like your displays, your brightness, your different tasks, different applications, all of these things go ahead and drain your battery simultaneously. Okay, and maybe your battery is outdated and it can't handle the load of all of these softwares working at once. So what you can do is you can actually disable these startups, and you can change their impact. So any application that gives you a high startup impact, just go ahead and disable that. Okay. So just like this, anything with a high startup that you don't really need, just go ahead and disable the startup and that should, fix it up for you. Now, if none of this works for you, what you can do is you can run a component tools test on your battery, and you do that by simply shutting down your laptop. Now, when you turn it back on, what you do is you spam the F2 key, and that's going to take you to the diagnostic tools. And in the diagnostic tools, what you're going to do is you're going to run a component test on the battery, and that should fix it up for you. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.